2012 Volkswagen Touareg TDI with 135,000 miles on it, making a whining, almost metal on metal sound coming from the front passenger. New pulley, tensioner, so new bearings on those, and the drive shaft support bearing and those, the rubber looks intact, and there wasn't a lot of noise emanating from them, or really any, so we can't really figure out what this is. It sounds like metal on metal. See if I can get it to make the noise. This is in gear coasting downhill. Happens mostly at low speeds. Sometimes it goes away completely. Of course, now it's not going to make the noise. It almost happens more when it's cold, or when it hasn't been driven in a couple of hours. The closest noise I can think of is, it definitely sounds like bearing on bearing metal, but if you've ever dipped your finger in a wine glass full of water and then gone circular motion around the top of the edge and it makes that note, that singing noise, that's almost exactly what it sounds like. And it gets pretty loud sometimes. Of course, it's not doing it now. Well, I couldn't really get it to make the noise that much, unfortunately. I'm gonna try turning the car on and off. That sounds silly, but we'll see. There's a little bit of whine.